Then, backside of them is cut off, which is stored in the container through the production line. Workers returned the remaining parts of these chickens to the line after removing the fins and backs. The skin of the chicken breast is loose through this automatic tool. The two sides of the skin are then cut with small round scissors, which allow the next machine to easily remove the skin from the chicken body. The chicken breast and leg parts are arranged in line through the final inspection machine. The chest is bisected by a sharp ring along the line. Besides this, the hum and thigh parts are separated together by automatic scissors. Through another ring connected to this system, the bones are separated from the bifurcated part of the chest, and the meat is separated. On the other hand, the extra part behind it is separated from the hum and thigh. Then two hums and thighs are separated from each other by round